Hello, boss. How are you? Good. I'm looking direction to Donham. Can you assist me?
Donham?
Yeah.
Donham. Go. Donham? Go. And go. Go.
Donham. You know I'm not understanding you. What you are saying.
Kitanda. Wacha nikulitie.
Come.
Oh.
You understand what I'm saying?
Kitanda.
I'm looking for direction to Donham. Yeah.
Go.
Me look for another person.
Kuna mtu ananiona. Maana niangalie na kizungu kwa. Kumbe kizungu ni ngumu huko karibu niaipike kwa. Kuna mtu ananiona.